Hello, I am Abhijit Bhardwaj. Welcome you all in live Jharkhand breaking headlines today. Headlines today is brought to you by SOA University Bhubaneswar, NIPS School of Hotel Management, Google Restaurant, Lakshmi Vilas Bank Gold Loan, and Auron Home Plus. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said when 5.5 lakh Kashmiri Pandits were killed, no human rights supporters cried for them. Now they are against CAA. Chief Minister Hemant Soren to review Chaibasa's Goilkera incident today. Encounter between Pathalgadi supporters and opponents at Goilkara in Chaibasa on Sunday night. 7 people missing. Police started investigation process. PM Narendra Modi revealed I had reviewed with the team of scientists after Chandrayaan mission 2 failed. Expelled MLA Bandhu Trikhi and MLA Pradeep Yadav from JVM said they will raise legal problems for merger with BJP. Chief Minister Hemant Soren will come to Ranchi from New Delhi this afternoon, solve the mystery of the expansion of the cabinet. 8 tourists from Kerala killed in a resort of Daman. Dead bodies sent for post-mortem. Investigation started. Kapil Sibbal's appeal for stay on CAA and NRC had been repealed by Supreme Court. Supreme Court refuses to stay on CAA. Chief Justice said that he will not issue any order now. JDU leader Prashant Kishore gave open challenge to Union Home Minister, said apply the chronology of CAA and NRC. BJP MP Manoj Tiwari questioned Rahul and Kejriwal about the problem from Shaheen Bagh movement of Delhi. Chief Minister Hemant Soren said that the government will give all facilities to meritorious sports daughter of the extremist affected Simdega. Jharkhand High Court issued notice to Deputy Commissioner and ADM in Jharkhand State Cricket Association membership case. Ranchi's temperature reached 7.6 degrees Celsius. No relief from cold for next few days. Thank you for being with us. We will be back soon.